Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Michael's. Michael's is right there, and you guys, it's grab box day. Yes, look at this grab box, and I got 5, I think, for me. There's some back there, and I got 2 for a family member. So I'm really excited. And you guys, listen to this beautiful music. Somebody's playing an accordion. Isn't that beautiful? I think this is Michael Jackson's You Are Not Alone. It's so beautiful. I love the accordion, guys. It just, there it is. I'm here with you. I love this song. Okay, but here, I'm so distracted by that. That sounds so pretty. But back to this, you guys. Let me show you these boxes. Okay, so they have, at my Michael's, they have both big ones and small ones. It was a lot of fun. I'm going to take you inside, so I'm going to show you what's left at the Elk Grove one. I don't know by the time this uploads how many will be left, but it was so nice, and I met a couple nice ladies, and my best friend Ruth came too. And so anyways, I'm going to take you guys inside and show you what is left of grab boxes at the Michael's. And it's 9:41 in the morning, so I'm not sure how much is going to be left at our Michael's in Elk Grove, but I will take you inside and show you, so you can see what is here. So as far as grab boxes, because I know different stores do different, like, bags and stuff like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we have over here. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. I might be out here for a minute longer listening to this because it sounds so pretty. Not the tire screeching, but the accordion. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm walking back into the store, and I'll show you what is here at Michael's. Yeah, this is pretty slow. Not a lot of people here right now. So, yeah. Alright, now he's playing My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion. This is so awesome. This is so beautiful. This song, oh. Alright guys, so here's the more Michael's grab boxes. You guys, there's a lot left. But by the time, I don't know when this posts because I have to upload it. I'm not sure how many is going to be left. But you guys, there's a lot. You can see there's a lot down there too. So there's plenty left. Sorry, I'm like, this mask is like falling off me. You see this? There's a lot left. So I'm going to show you the candles now, you guys, so you can see the candles. They're $1.80. You guys, I bought a couple of these as well. $1.80. So I'm really excited about this find. I'm actually just bought 3, and I may have to buy more because the other day I bought them at $3.33 and now they're $1.80. So, and they have them over here as well. $1.80. Look at this, $1.80. So they have all these different scents. But yeah, as far as the Michael's grab boxes go, I'm looking right now, you guys, there's at least 30 left, at least 30 left. Let's see. I'm thinking there's, oh yeah, there's a lot left, you guys. See, these are all grab boxes. A lot. Some of them are the longer ones, you see? And some of them are the shorter ones. So all different sizes and lots to choose from. Yeah. So it's exciting. A lot of them look like the eggs are in there, those plastic eggs, which I got a lot of last year. So, because you can kind of see inside. Some of these have baskets. But I picked out 5 for myself. And like I said, I think 5 for myself and 2 for a family member. So pretty exciting times, right? So I'll unbox them. I think I'm going to do 2 different unboxings because it's going to take a long time to unbox these. As you can see, there's a ton behind me. See this? Yay! That's such a beautiful sight, all those boxes, right? Yeah, so I'm wearing my new shirt too, guys, that I got at Goodwill. My Gap shirt, so I'm wearing that today. I wanted to be wearing something bright and fun. So yeah, look at these grab boxes. You can still see them behind me. Yep, see all those? So this is awesome day, guys. I'm so excited. I feel like there's going to be a lot of eggs in them, but I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure. Because you can see through the holes a little bit, but I didn't like open them up. So I have no idea what I'm really getting. I hope I get like some crafts. This mask is falling off me like all day long. But yeah, so anyway, guys, again, there's plenty still here, but I don't know how fast they're going to go off the shelf. It's almost 10 o'clock right now, and they've been open for an hour, and there's still, I'm looking at a lot. So you might want to call your Michaels to see if they have grab boxes, or yeah, call them, see if they have any. I don't know. I think some of them are having them tomorrow, but I know ours is in California, in Elk Grove. Ours is today here. So you might want to check your Michaels if it's today or tomorrow. Anyway, so I saw on YouTube yesterday, late last night, that other states had them yesterday. Another state had them. So out yesterday. So anyways, I'm just gonna let's see. Yeah, so anyway, I'll show you a couple of things around the store. They do have a 70% off aisle. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. All right, guys, so I'm down the 70% off aisle. They do have, I want to show you this. They have some beautiful spring and summer floral, and it's, what does it say? Spring and summer floral and decor 70% off. So I want to show you this. This stuff, let me put my keys away because I'm going to be here for a minute. So I need to put my keys away. You guys, I'm so excited about the grab boxes. I feel so blessed because, I got the St. Patrick's ones a few weeks ago. Like, was it 2 weeks ago, and now the Easter ones. But this one, I don't know what this is. It says hello. I don't know what on earth that is. Wall decor. It almost looks like a thing you'd put your hot plates on, but that's not what it's for. It's wall decor. Over here we have Easter stuff. No, not Easter, sorry. Lots of clearance. 70% off home decor. Again, I'm going to turn this camera around and show you the 70% off right here. Home, right here. This is $34.99, so it'd be 70% off $34.99. This caught my attention. This is beautiful. This is $24.99, so 70% off. Look how pretty that is. Like totally antique looking, really antique looking. And just a lot of clearance on this side, but I want to wait till to see if these go into grab boxes, you guys. Cupcake stands, look how cute those are. Cupcake stands, I've never seen anything like that. I'm gonna head back over to the grab boxes because nobody's there right now, and I want to show you the rest of what I see. I met a friend who is one of my friends on YouTube, somebody I just met, and her name's Patricia. So hi, Patricia. It was so nice to meet you, honey. So nice. It was really fun to meet you. And she was getting grab boxes too. That was really cool. So let me go ahead and back over here. I'm going to show you. I'm in the 4th of July area right now, as you can see. So yeah, 4th of July. I love this stuff now. I cannot wait till this stuff goes into grab boxes. Let me tell you, this is going to be so exciting. Oh my gosh. This has glitter in it, you guys. It has glitter in it. It like actually moves. Look at that. That's $8.99 and it's 50% off, so it'd be $4. $4 for that. Isn't that pretty? Let me see what else. They have paper plates. Let me show you. Right here. $5.99. 50% off. Oh, they have birdhouses. Let me show you the birdhouses, you guys. Let me show you the birdhouses. Oh, these are nice. 6-piece set. Little baskets. $3.99. Half. Oh, no, sorry. Sorry, it's less than that. $3.99, so it'd be $2 for these. Okay, guys, I just saw these birdhouses. They caught my attention. I love birdhouses. $6. Spring birdhouses, normally $19. Look how pretty those are. Look at how, wow. Wow. That's $6, you guys. How cute. I just put a bird feeder up, as you guys know. I don't know if you know. I put a bird feeder up. I got at Lowe's, and I watched the birds eat on my front window. I hung it from my front window. It's so fun to watch. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the grab boxes. There's a lot left. Look at this. A lot left. Isn't that amazing? Look at how many are left. Tons. So, yeah, I want to show you that. Okay, so I think I'm going to head to my next destination. I need to go run some errands, but I will be back, you guys. I promise later tonight with opening up these grab boxes. Okay, so stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys are able to get some grab boxes as well. And I hope you guys are all doing well, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Can't wait. Bye, guys.